it's been 20 years now since Jassi Jaisi Koi Nahi, and you're one of the few actors we have seen dabble very successfully and seamlessly between TV, film, and now OTT. And you've had a fabulous year already, with Kala Pani included. My question to you is, as an actor, how do you look at the opportunities that OTT provides for an actor?
Yes, it has been 20 years and I'm seeing this, transition, and I'm absolutely loving this new whole era of OTT. The narratives have changed, the content has changed, storytelling has changed. There's so much more for women to do. We are not just cast for one positive and one vamp. It's much more than that. We are not just filling gaps. We are grey, we are flawed. There's so much going on. So I am very happy and very, very grateful that even today, I'm part of brilliant shows, brilliant narratives. So it's a beautiful phase that I'm experiencing personally, as an actor.
Congratulations. And can I please be allowed to ask another question to the makers?
Absolutely. It's all yours. They're all yours. Go for it.
Thank you. What's very fascinating actually is the symbol, which I can sense that it has been inspired from the South Indian columns that are put at South Indian residences. उनके आंगन में लगाया जाता है वो column design. So is there a correlation, speaking of the symbol?
No, it's actually, so the original symbol is it's called a triskelion, and it has a deep meaning in the show which I don't want to reveal right now. But yeah, it's definitely connected very heavily to the story. So there's no direct connection, there's no intended connection. If people make that connection, that's fine.
Again, taking that question that you've been relevant for 20 years in different avenues and places, it is not so easy. This is a survival drama, so series. I want to know that what has been your basic mode of survival, because many a times you see artists lose steam, or maybe the industry not letting artists get their due when they shift from one to the other, and you've been part of so many paradigm shifts already in the industry.
I think, it's all about taking the risk. If you're not taking the risk and you're staying in your comfortable zone, then you are really getting lost and people will forget you. You have to keep changing with time. You have to stay relevant. You have to, keep reinventing yourself as an actor, as a human being. We all keep changing, evolving over the years. So I think the fact that I'm still around is because I have always, been choosy, and I've always, said yes to roles which are challenging and way different from one another. I've never repeated myself. And I'm glad that, people are still giving me great opportunities, and I'm here today.
And because Mona Jaisi Koi Nahi.